go get your monetization benefits over there. If you ain't monetized, I don't know why. Hell, I been gave y'all them tips. Boom. Go my first clip of the day. Shouts out to clipping them videos. That's what we doing today. We clip farming as usual. You did. Shouts out to getting that work put in, because you know Spider Pig got his work put in too. Y'all see we posted that video that we did today, Super Saturday video, already posted. It'll be available shortly. So you did. But as far as today, we can get away from where we was at. Go right back into our video playlist because we got some videos to do. Then we're gonna have to go into the green room so we can get some more Triple B Farms genetics going as far as getting that auto army started. You dig? The last batch they had nice germination, but then most of them didn't make it, which is cold around here, so I could understand why they didn't want to make it in the environment. There was cold outside wind coming in, because you know how people are. They'll leave the door open. The dog likes to leave the door open too. She's like, I can kick the door open. You kicked the damn door open at the wrong time of day. Nobody shut it behind you. But temp swings are a problem in the garden, so that's why we remind you to stay on top of your indoor garden conditions. Shouts out to being in control of your indoor gardening conditions, because that's definitely the battle, like G.I. Joe said. This says 11 videos are unavailable. That's the ones I took out. But we already have our list queued up, I believe. So we'll just go down here and get it started. Shout out to that big homie. Y'all know he supported that beat for the intros, and I appreciate that. Y'all know to go check out his Bob Me a Coffee and his YouTube channel at DJ Is, because y'all know he got them bangers.
Future of Cannabis 2025, a spectacular deep dive. Welcome back to the channel, Legalizers. Today we're diving into the new year 2025. I'm Tom, and you can find me over at CannabisIndustryLawyer.com, where I share the latest updates on cannabis laws, licenses, and everything you need to know about the business of this fascinating plant. What is in store for the cannabis industry this year? Will federal rescheduling finally become reality? Could a crackdown on unregulated THC products reshape the market? And are we in the midst of a cannabis beverage revolution? Stick around as we break down bold predictions that could define the year ahead or be totally wrong. Let's get into it. But if this is your first time here, make sure to click that subscribe button for updates on all things cannabis legalization, because you won't want to miss a thing as we follow the road to full legalization. And now, 2025, the cannabis industry predictions that could be way, way off or right, but probably dead wrong. All right, what is the first big trend to watch in 2025? When it comes to federal policy, the ongoing rescheduling debate is the most significant development to watch in 2025. The Department of Health and Human Services has recommended moving cannabis from Schedule 1 all the way down to Schedule 3 under the Controlled Substances Act. But the DEA has delayed hearings, so they start this month and go to March of 2025. This recommendation is groundbreaking, and it looks like Trump will continue it. We'll assume he does and report on it if he does not. If the DEA approves this move, it may have to be done with them kicking and screaming the whole way. The DEA has been hostile during this process, but the HHS science is binding on their review. If it goes to Schedule 3, cannabis would no longer be classified alongside substances like heroin and LSD, and instead it would fall alongside drugs like ketamine and anabolic steroids. While this wouldn't legalize cannabis